Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix laptop loud fan noise problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your laptop fan is making loud noise, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Control Panel, then click on Control Panel. Guys, in this you can see here View by. If it is selected as category, you just need to click on category and click on large icon. After that, in this you need to find power option. You can see here power option. Click on power option. My power plan is selected as balanced. Just click on change plan setting. In this you can see here change advanced power setting. Just click on that. Guys, in this you need to find processor power management. You just need to scroll down and you will find processor power management. Just double click on that. After that you will find minimum processor state and maximum processor state. Just expand both one. You can see minimum processor state, it is on battery 5% and plugged in 5%. You don't need to change this one. Just you need to change maximum processor state. You can see on battery it is 100% and while plugged in it is 100%. Guys, if it is set as 100%, the CPU gets heat and the fan makes loud noise. You just need to reduce to 60 to 70%. Just double click on that, set as 60 and select the plugged in. You need to change this also. Just reduce to 60%. After setting both as 60, you can set as 70 also. I am setting as 60. After setting this, just click on apply and click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop. After restarting your laptop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix laptop loud fan noise problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.